guys, welcome to our new channel, Road Tripping with KAT. As KAT, this is Kirti.
Hello, my name is Arjun. Hi, I'm Teju.
Hi everyone and welcome back to Road Tripping with KAT. Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous Ugadi 2022. As you guys know, we are currently road tripping in Delhi. And as a part of Ugadi celebrations, we are here at the Andhra Pradesh Bhavan or AP Bhavan in New Delhi. Now, we have been visiting this place since I was a little kid, and let's check out the Ugadi celebrations. The decorations are really beautiful. Behind me, you can see the Nandi statue. Now, this specific, the Nandi, is very nostalgic, as in when we were kids and when we were younger, there was the Andhra Pradesh Day celebrations that would take place in November every year, and we would visit it regularly. And this Nandi statue here, we would always hang out near here, take pictures. So many fond memories and good times spent here, all coming back. And I'm really excited to bring Arjun here and show him around the place. Andhra Bhavan was also the place where initially, like in the 90s, we would come here to watch Telugu movies. Long before PVR, big cinemas, and other multiplexes started airing Telugu movies, Andhra Bhavan was the one place where all the Delhiites in Telugu would come to catch the latest releases. Currently, RRR is being screened here, and many people have turned up to watch this movie. We did not plan any movie, hence, we'll be waiting to catch it later. So we are currently sitting down. It's really hot today. It's April and the sun is beating down. So we are here near the Sarvana Bhavan stall and waiting for the food. So let us talk with Nana in the meantime.
Hi, hello.
Okay, Nana. So how are you feeling coming back to AP Bhavan?
Yeah, it is nostalgic coming after so many I think decades.
It's been here since 1956, but we have been coming here since
92 you can say,
92, 93.
Mm.
And we used to come here for
But
Andhra.
mainly Andhra food, which is
Andhra-
very famous in Andhra Bhavan
Andhra Bhavan
canteen. Okay,
Yes.
we used to stand in queues mainly on Saturdays and Sundays.
Mm-hmm.
Even today there is a big queue, of course, for
Ugadi
food lovers.
celebration going on.
The beauty is not only Telugu people of Andhra and Telangana, the local people, the Delhiites also like this food here. That is very traditional, tasty, and spicy a bit. So it is a, you can say, hangout of all people in Delhi rather, not only from Andhras.
Yes.
So that is
But
how
today
it
we are
goes.
not going to the Andhra Bhavan canteen. We are trying
Yeah,
the
we came
food
here
stall
after lunch only, so
Yes.
just now we are here to you can say enjoy the AP state government and Telangana government programs being connected
Yeah,
by them.
cultural
So
programs.
cultural programs, Nadeshwaram, there is dance program, and then some orchestras. So right now we are waiting for the traditional coffee at Sarvana Bhavan. Yeah.
Okay. So, food is here. Arjun has already started to eat. Let's see what he is eating.
So I am eating the paneer dosa. It's not spicy. I feel like it's good. I did with the coconut chutney. It's not spicy. I like it. So it actually has paneer inside. So let's try the sambar. Let's see how it is. Sambar is not spicy at all.
This stall here was put up by the Sarvana Bhavan, which is in Janpath in CP. So right now we are sitting and waiting for the function to start. The stage is being set up and I think it starts at 5:30 p.m. Today is the 3rd of April. So Ugadi was yesterday. Now yesterday also this function was there, but we of course celebrated at home. I'll share some clips with you here right now, like how we made our Ugadi Pachadi, we made Garelu, we made Bobbatlu and some Parvanam. So here is the preparation video as you can see. So we had a very simple preparation this time round and Arjun definitely enjoyed the Garelu more. Thank you so much for watching our video. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching our video. Did you like our content? If yes, please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below.